it's me Ashley and welcome back to ColourPop Week on my channel. Today we're going to be looking at this Anna set from the Frozen 2 range. So yes, this week I am reviewing a ColourPop product every day that I got for Christmas, and today's ColourPop is this fabulous Anna collection set from the Frozen 2 range. I've also got an Elsa one for later in the week. How pretty is this case? Straight off, it is beautiful. So pretty. And it comes like with a little bow. So let's open this up and take a little look at the products. Okay, ooh, it's closing again. So as we open that out, you will see we've got some lovely products in there. In here we have a eyeshadow palette, we have a lip gloss, a lipstick, and like a body shimmer. So I am super excited to try these. I've been holding off trying any of these just so I can show you guys. So I'm really excited to kind of get in there and see what they're like. Okay, so I'm going to start just by showing you the box a little bit closer up. So as you can see, it's this Anna kind of cartoon design. It's absolutely beautiful, like sketched. And then we have like glittery and shiny patterns on there. It really is an absolutely beautiful gift box. And then we open that up, and inside we have our products, which again are packaged absolutely beautifully. So we have our palette, which I think I will probably swatch first for you guys, and then we've got the lip products, which again I'll try on, and we also have this, what's it called, waterfall glitter obsessed glitter gel pot, which is just stunning. So I'm going to give all of those a little try. What I will do is I will swatch the palette and show you the palette. I'll do that on my arm like I usually do my swatches, and then I will do some cutaways of me wearing the lip products because I have lipstick on at the moment and I can't really try that on. So let's start with the palette. I am beyond excited to look at this. Okay then, so this is the eyeshadow palette. Again, it's that lovely kind of design of the sketched Anna with the pretty bits and bobs. And then we open it up, and in here, oh well, we get a little bit of a protective film and things, so I'll take those away. We get a mirror, which is super useful. And then we have our fabulous colours. Now, the Anna set, these kind of remind me of like fall colours, but they are absolutely stunning. So I can't wait to try them. We've got a mix of like shimmers, we've got some mattes. This one's got like glitter in there. I don't know if you can see that. And then this one in the middle is obviously a very sparkly shade. And the back just tells you the names of the colours, which it also does on the inside. So I don't think we really need to refer to the back. Okay then, so as in every video, I'm going to swatch the colours row by row down my arm and we will see what they look like. So let's start with the top row. Our first one is called Scooch In. And it's like a shimmery kind of pearlescent white almost. Okay, that feels a little bit bitty, but it looks like it's going to be very pretty. Ooh. Oh, hang on, sorry, I think I'm slightly out of range there. That's so pretty. I think it's actually prettier than it's picking up on the camera. It's got like an iridescent duochromeness to it. It's absolutely lovely, actually. And I thought from touching it, it was going to be like a little bit fallouty, but it isn't. It's perfect. You can probably see the colour slightly better, actually, on my finger there. Okay, I don't know why I started with the middle finger. I'm going to go into the next one, which is called Wood. I think it's Wood. Oh no, it's Wind. I do apologise. So this one's like a matte orange shade. Okay, wow. The pigment on that was incredible. I barely had to really touch it, to be fair. That's lovely. So that's obviously like a kind of burnt orange-esque colour. It's really, really nice. The next one then is Earth, and this is definite golden colour. Again, I don't feel like I have to pick up a lot to get a decent colour payoff. That's a really nice shimmery gold, isn't it? It's beautiful. Okay, so clean fingers. Let's start in there with this next one, which is called Adventure, and it's like a shimmery purple shade. Again, it looks like it's got a bit of duochrome iridescence to it. Ooh, that's a very pretty colour. Wow, you see that? It's definitely got like a pinky undertone to it. It's really, really nice. Okay, so this next one, I'm almost scared to dip in there in case I ruin it. So this one's called, is it Arundel? Yeah, Arundel. Okay, let's just do it. Oh, wow. It just feels buttery smooth. It doesn't feel like you're picking up glitter. Look at that. And I was almost worried that it was just going to be the top of the shadow that was glittery. But that isn't. That's... Holy crap. That might be my new favourite eyeshadow. Oh my goodness. Look how reflective it is. It's absolutely stunning. Let me just slightly clean up, just kind of give it a bit of a better line. But wow. Oh my goodness me. Yes. Fabulous. Right, let's move on to this purple shade, which is Autumn Breeze. It's kind of like a matte colour. Okay, so that's got really good pigment on it. And again, I didn't really press into that at all. So all the colours so far are really nice pigments. Fab. Okay then, so moving on to our last row, we start with this shade called Warm Hugs, which is like kind of a dark, dusky, pinky kind of a colour with some like golden glitter in there, it looks like. So I'm just going to grab some of that. See the glitter particles? Okay, so it's a bit more of a subtle pigment to it, but it does have a nice shimmer. I think this will be like kind of a nice subtle everyday look that's maybe a little bit more glam. Okay, so let's move on to our next one, which is kind of a nudie, browny, orangey shade, kind of like a terracotta, I suppose. And this one's called Fearless. Okay, let's pop that on there. Again, it's just a really nice matte shade. The pigment on these are pretty good, to be fair. Really like them. Our very last one is this one, and it's called Charades. Okay, and it's kind of more of a brown. Yeah, that definitely picked up a lot of pigment. Wow. Okay, so that is our last colour. How gorgeous are they? Like I said, they are those kind of autumnal colours. They're really, really pretty. Yeah, I'm super impressed with those. I really, really like them. And each of the colours, I think you could wear together. So you could get away with like combining any of those. And I'm just blown away by the glitter. I mean, it might be interesting to take off, but that is super duper pretty. Okay, so we've just swatched the eyeshadow palette, which was fab. Now I thought we would swatch just a little bit of this body glitter stuff. What's it called? So it's Waterfall Glittery Obsessed Glitter Gel from ColourPop. So I just thought, while I've got my arm all messy, I would swatch maybe up here. Let's pop a bit of this glitter gel. Oh, it's very kind of proper spongy kind of gel, I guess. It's what you'd expect. And it comes up like so. Oh my goodness. I didn't really dip. It didn't feel like I was getting a lot, to be fair. And look how much I've picked up. Wow. So in there, it's got like little silver glitters almost, with like gold. There's a bit of iridescence to it. There's like a red sheen in there, a greeny sheen. Perfect autumnal shades again. Oh my goodness me. Look how pretty that arm is. I almost don't want to take it off. So this type of product, I'm guessing, would be, you could use it, well, for anything. It looks like it's glitter gel. So you can use it on your body. You can use it on your face. If you're going to a festival, this would be fab. And I'm sure you could also use it on your eyes, but then you've got this shade, so you might not need to. Wow. How, just, yes. I really like these. Just like, I'm beyond excited by them. Okay, so you've just seen me swatch these absolutely fabulous colours on my arm. I am beyond impressed with this set. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a little cutaway of me wearing the lipsticks. I'm not going to put them on right now because I do have lipstick on, so it would be unfair. So we will start with the actual lipstick of the two. And this one is called Going North, and it's a cream colour, it says on the packaging. It's kind of a deep red. It looks like a deep red brown kind of toned colour. It looks really, really beautiful in the packaging, so hopefully it will look as nice on. And again, how nice is the packaging on all these? It's super pretty. Like just, oh, it's like perfect for me. It's Disney, it's makeup, it's sparkly. I'm in my element. Okay, then our final item from the box then is this lip gloss. And this one is called, let me see, it's called Spirit. And it's a very kind of neutral shade in a gloss. So I think it's just going to give a nice super shiny glow to your lips and just look really, really feminine and pretty. So guys, I need to go wash my arm. Although I kind of don't want to take them off because, I mean, look at them. They are so pretty. I am over the moon with this, and I've still got the Elsa box to try. I just, so much Disney and sparkles and, oh, I'm so, just, I really am excited by this. Okay, so that was today's video. If you have liked, then please hit that like button and give me a huge thumbs up. Drop me a comment, let me know what your favourite was. Let me know what these eyeshadows you think looks most fabulous. And yeah, any impressions on the whole box, let me know. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel because I have got a ColourPop video coming every day this week. I have an Elsa set that looks very much like this, but in like blues and things. So I'm really excited to try that one too. So yeah, make sure you subscribe. And until then, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.